Hi guys! For the second egg of sweet sweet. Ayan, the second egg of sweet sweet guys. Today is 10:30 a.m. and UAE time. Si sweet sweet nagdala ng pangalawang egg. Ako mama. Ayan siya, oh guys, oh. Go out baby. Go out si ako. We want to see the egg. Egg, mama. Egg. Yan siya, guys. Oh, dalawa na yung egg ni Sweet Sweet. Oh. Sweet Sweet. May dalawang egg na siya. Hi. Ang 2 egg ni Sweet Sweet. Oh, wow. They have 2 eggs na. Ayan siya, guys. I have na 2 eggs of my Sweet Sweet. Ayan, bumalik na naman siya. Yeah, peekaboo.